Hello, how to run any protected software in different 8 legal ways. It's working 100%. كيفية تشغيل أي برنامج ب8 طرق مختلفة. Subscribe in the channel to reach every important and useful video we upload in the channel. And let's go ahead to see how are these 8 ways. These are the 8 ways. I will discuss every point clearly now in this video. Please like and write any question and I will answer you. Share the video for others through your social media, WhatsApp and Facebook groups or page, so all people you know can be know and know helpful for them. So first key or point is to search in Google for its key code or serial number or the passcode for this software. While you are installing the software asks you to insert the purchase number or the a key number for continuing. It's like a license number. So you can write here license number or license number. Okay. So this license number, you can search about it in the Google. So you will go to here and search about the license number. As example, I will search license number of the Camtasia. Camtasia, it's a video montage software, so you can locate the software key in the software through this support, and it's from the company which made this program. Okay, so you can search here and find how you find this serial number or the code number or the serial number or the license number. So this is the first one. The second one is to search in Google for a cracker software and then download it and execute the cracker to generate a code, serial code or the license code for this version of the software. So the same, you can search in Google, but here you will search in Google for a cracker of Camtasia as example. This is an example. You will put here your software application. If you like McAfee for antivirus or any software you are searching about. Download crack Camtasia. This for Camtasia 2020 or 20 Camtasia cracked Camtasia 2021, and you will can download and install it and generate the serial key or the license key. Okay. The third way is to change the computer date for previous date to extend or reset the trial period of the software. So the software has a trial period for 30 days or 40 days, as it depends on the software. So you will go to the date and time here, and here you press a change the date and time. You can write here date on the search and date and time setting, and here you have to adjust or change اللي هو الديت and time. From here change, so you will change it to previous months or months like September or August, and then first of all you have to uninstall the program and then change the date for previous months or months. If we are in December, you can put in September or August and then reinstall the software again. Okay, so I want to change now. I just explain you how to do this. And then the fourth way, extend or reset the trial period of the software by deleting its installed protecting files from the registry key, H key local machine. So I will tell you how to do this. We will first search here about registry key, registry editor, and then press on it. And then here, H key local machine, you'll press on it, and then select software, and then search about your software. So if you installed it, you have to install it first and search about this. So this is the company of Qiymat, and then you will search on these files. You can search how to delete the files or how to extend. You can search here exactly in Google how to extend or reset trial period of the. Here you will put Qiymat or your software name, okay? Software name, okay? So and it will tell you how to find this protecting file and delete it from, as I said to you and show you, from these files. And these files change from program to another program, okay? So which one of this one, or delete all. So this is the 4-way or 4-point, the 4 number. Then how to extend or reset the trial period of the software by installing and executing the run as date. Run as date. It's a program. It's called run as date. You can search about it in Google. اكتب هنا run as date, and you will find run as date 64-bit. It's according to your Windows. How to know it? You will search in your Windows system and know it's 64-bit or 23-bit. And 23 bits, it's working for both, but 64-bit is not is working only in 64-bit. Okay, so you can search here and then download it and then install it. After install it, you can operate it like this. And here you have to adjust the date for previous date, okay? And browse the application of the program, which is here in the example Qiymat, okay? Select this and then open and just adjust this like you're changing the date and time. But here you are changing the date and time for only this program, not all the system. So if you have another important programs, calendars, or any programs, depend on the date, actual or current date and time. If you change it for your system, it will make a problem for you for other program. But this changes the date and time for that, for this only this program. You need to extend its trial period. Okay. Let's go to the next way. Next way is to extend or reset the trial period of the software by deleting its protecting file from temp folder. So here you will delete its temp, you will delete all the temp folder. So how to do? Search here temp and then percentage, and then here open. Here you will delete all files. Deleting all the files in the temp, it's not only for extending the time, the trial period for that's the software, but it's enhance your the speed of the computer, enhance your quality of work of your machine, PC or laptop. Shift and delete, and then delete. So you will delete all temporary files for all the unwanted files which is delaying your computer. So let's go to the point number 7. Install this software or the application in another Windows in the same application, in the same machine. So if you have 2 Windows, you can run or install the software in the another Windows. So Number 8 and the final one and the last one, install the software or the application in another PC or another laptop. You can work on it. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and share the video for others for helping them to know how to use or run any product software in different 8 legal ways. كيفية تشغيل أي برنامج ب8 طرق مختلفة. شارك الفيديو مع آخرين حتى تعم المنفعة، وما تنساش تشترك في القناة عشان توصل لك كل ما هو مهم ومفيد وجديد. شكرا جدا لمتابعتكم.